So we're here at a mill, and this is an amazing company down here in Spanish Fork. And look at all the live woods. This is white oak, and this is what you do your resin projects with. There's some maple. Isn't that cool? So cool. Yeah, so we're here picking up some of these because one of my sons does live oak custom furniture and artwork. They do custom building here, and here is a wagon wheel table that a family ordered that seats 14 people that they're in the process of making. Isn't that amazing? So they have so many cool items. We're going to, oh, they already picked the pieces that we're going to buy. But if you just have little projects, here's just some little ones that you can pick up that are pretty decent prices. So this is on the lower end. We're here at Stockyard Collection American Made. They are custom wood furniture and live oak makers. They have this really beautiful facility. I mean, it's just amazing the stuff they do. Oh, let me show you the new things they just brought in. So here's some redwood, because a lot of the wood they have here is local to Utah. This is in Spanish Fork, Utah. But look at these pieces, how beautiful they are. They are so cool. And look at these upright burls. And then here is the area where they work on the tables. He's making a table here. And then they're making some chairs over there for that wagon wheel table. There's a sycamore maple. A lot of these woods are here in Utah. That these trees, like this English walnut, is from here in Utah. So it's kind of cool to buy black walnuts from Utah. It's really cool to be able to buy woods that are from your local area. This is white oak. Yeah, we were tempted to buy one of these pieces. I can't remember where it is now. I think it was this one here, but it won't fit in my car. All right, I'm going to have Garrett, the owner of Stockyard Collection, say hi.
Okay, listen. Here at Stockyard, we're not only just a custom furniture company where we build furniture, but we're going to supply you with the best live edge hardwood material. We got our vacuum kiln dryer that we get to control all that, and a sawmill. So we get to kind of be a part of everything from top to bottom, A to Z. So that's us.
Awesome. Thanks so much.